Hello, my name is Frederick Anefin. Welcome to my Excel today. Today we are going to look at how to link Excel to MS Word. So assuming you have a data, you are supposed to link, or you work in an Excel, you want to link it to a Word document. Simply you can just copy the data, copy, go to your Word document, right click and choose link and keep source formatting. Automatically you have your data in a Word document. Whatever you do in the Excel sheet will be updated here. So example, if we change the header, change the color to, let's say, orange, and we change the last customer to 100, let's go back to the Word document. You will see that automatically it's updated here, as you can see. So that's how fast and quick you can really work in Excel and really link it to a Word document. Thank you and have a wonderful day.